and good morning. Honorable guest, District Governor Rotary Jignasis Mahapatra sir, our BO, Respected BO, Sri Devendra Behra sir, my friend Sarthak and all Rotarians and all the university representatives across the country, and my dear students. I first of all like to thank all of you for being present here. For the first time we have started this kind of platform in Berhampur. I have always believed Berhampur has a potential. So this time we used to do this kind of event.
So myself Jyoti Das from DAV Public School Berhampur. So we have visited the seminar or the career counseling from Career Maps Uncle, and I feel really helpful after coming here. We have visited many of the career counseling fairs, and this has been one of the most effective ones.
ये मत सब भल लगे बहुत किसी बुझिली आम कैरियर फेयर माने बहुत को चूज कली भी जो कन्फ्यूजन थी मु दूर कली
By coming here, we got very happy because we don't know newly updated institutions or any other fair options, and